Affiliate links are unique URLs assigned to a certain affiliate. They record and contain the affiliate's username or ID, enabling the affiliates to get credit for the traffic sent to the advertisers' websites. If someone clicks the affiliate links and performs actions that advertisers pay commissions for, the affiliates get paid. If you're into affiliate marketing and you want to get more conversions, you need to get more clicks on your affiliate links. To achieve this, make sure to keep following this video till the end to know 5 secrets that will help you to get more clicks on affiliate links. This is NoBipole TV. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos. The following are 5 secrets to get more clicks on affiliate links. 1. Create useful content instead of hard sell. One of the common mistakes that people make when joining an affiliate marketing program is confusing a hard sell with content. Typically, the aim is to get visitors on your website to click on the links, so it's obvious that you'll opt for big advertisements with a hard sell. Unfortunately, it's the wrong move. These days, advertisements are everywhere online and a common affliction is ad fatigue. Flashy, bold, and big ads don't have the impact they used to. A better method is to create content around the product or the niche you promote. For instance, if you're promoting affiliate products related to herbal remedies for anxiety or stress, you can create informative and educational content about anxiety and stress management. Then, incorporate a recommendation for products in your useful content. This method will get readers on your side since you're being helpful instead of trying to sell them something. You'll also find that this strategy can boost your readership stats. 2. Incorporate tables and charts. Tables and charts are a good way to get more clicks on affiliate links. You may create tables and charts on all types of topics such as the following: tables with affiliate links, multiple product comparisons, chart listing online retailers for purchasing a certain product line. Try to be creative when you're presenting the information. In this way, you'll be able to earn better conversions in the long run. 3. Make your affiliate links easy to spot. In website content, YouTube content and blogs, it's crucial to put your affiliate links above the fold. It means that in order to get more clicks from the readers, they should see the links as soon as they browse your page. Remember, unless your content is extremely helpful for their concerns, nobody will scroll down just to read your CTA and get the links. If you don't know how to create good content, it's a great idea to get professionals to write for you. They know how to write quality content and use the right words to grab attention and get readers to click the links. Also, it's an excellent idea to ensure that the text's hyperlinks stand out from the rest of your wording. As the standard, they must be underlined and have a different color. Visibility is, after all, an essential factor to get clicks on affiliate links. 4. Be helpful with reviews and tutorials. One of the known affiliate marketing methods in the past is the use of reviews and tutorials. Although these are older methods, they still work. In fact, helpful and quality reviews may sell your products well. Tutorials, on the other hand, can help you demonstrate to your readers the ways to use the product and may help you sell complex products like electronics and software. 5. Offer exclusive deals and discounts. If you like your readers to use your affiliate links to do their shopping, you have to provide them some incentives. A good way to do that is by offering exclusive discounts and deals on your website. Once they click the product and purchase it using your affiliate link, they'll get promotional or discount deals that they can get through your website. Other than using CTA for your deals and discounts, you can also make specific landing pages on your website to boost your income. Such pages can contribute to improving your search engine rankings. You may also link to them in the newsletters you send out or on your social media pages. However, make sure to check if your affiliate programs accept this type of copy on their links. Finally, getting more clicks for your affiliate links is hard. However, once the listed tips above are applied properly, you can be assured that you'll generate more revenues from all of your affiliate partnerships. Just make sure to use links appropriately and provide content that's helpful and not too promotional. This is NoBipole TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video.